Greetings to all, we invite you to explore our products, which represent a remarkable advancement in technology. This innovation features an aesthetically pleasing corner of the space, elegantly enclosed with a well-designed cover that allows for easy disassembly of the modular display panels. The design facilitates straightforward maintenance and promotes innovative connectivity among various modules and displays. These can be linked through convenient connectivity cables, accommodating multiple models and orientations. Tailored to your specific display size requirements, this functionality enhances the visual appeal of the displays, attracting a larger audience for both outdoor and indoor settings. Furthermore, you have the flexibility to customize your display panels in various directions and perspectives, enabling rapid and efficient data exchange between modules. Additionally, the system allows for adjustments in angles ranging from 20 degrees to 50 degrees, enabling individual modules to change their orientation. This feature is particularly beneficial for optimizing viewing angles, whether for circular or direct views, enhancing the overall experience. Moreover, the panels can be adjusted both forwards and backwards, allowing for size modifications suitable for internal or external displays. This adaptability ensures that your presentation meets customer needs effectively. The 3D design capability allows customers to engage with the product virtually, providing an immersive experience without physical contact. Simulating a 360 degrees interaction with the product, this feature is particularly advantageous for installations in malls and theaters, where hanging displays can be adjusted from 50 degrees to 365 degrees, allowing for versatile presentation options that can be tailored to 3D video features. Furthermore, an excellent feature exists whereby, in the event of a modular issue, a straightforward one-to-one exchange can be facilitated. Users have the capability to perform these modular changes independently, even while the screen is operational, ensuring that the display can be modified without any disruption. Moreover, modular engineers are equipped with a designated holding point and stepping mechanism that allows them to ascend to the device, enabling access to faulty modules for replacement without interrupting user access. This capability is particularly advantageous from a support and maintenance perspective, effectively minimizing downtime to zero. Additionally, multiple modules can be integrated into a single display, allowing for a comprehensive visual presentation throughout a building. This feature enables the display of an entire video across the premises, which can significantly enhance the experience for product owners and brand representatives, thereby attracting more customers through effective marketing strategies. We believe that Vickit LED offers the optimal solution for your needs. Should you have any further inquiries, please do not hesitate to contact us at VSNP Pte Ltd Singapore, Vickit LED, India, Chennai. Phone number +65 9018 6633 +91 822 022 6354.